Are you guys a fan of mint scents for your men's grooming products, your beard oil and your shampoo and all of that kind of stuff? I know that I am. And Artius, man, I think, for me at least, has the best mint scents because they've got like 3 or 4 that's got hints at least of mint in it. And they've got their newest one, which is tea tree mint. And they sent me out a care package a while back. So I've got the beard oil and I've got a beard balm and big old 4-ounce beard butter, which I love their butter. I also have their beard wash and conditioner for the shower. And I have, for the first time ever, I've got their shampoo and body wash all in the tea tree mint scent, which I love. So to me, technically it's tea tree, peppermint, spruce, eucalyptus, spearmint, and balsam fir. Now, to me, for the tea tree one, it smells a little more spearminty like this. If you like spearmint gum, maybe just a hint of peppermint in it too, but kind of the sweet, a little bit spearmint, a little bit peppermint. That's what I get out of this tea tree scent, and that is a great one to have in lots of products. So that's what they did. Not all of their scents do they have in all of these products, but let me just show you real quick. I just showed you about half of what they've got. So they've got, I think, 14 different products in this tea tree mint scents and a couple of their other scents as well. But this one, we've got the balm, the beard wash, the beard oil, the beard butter. By the way, look at these prices for a beard oil for a company so established as Artius. Man, their 1-ounce beard oil is $14.95, which is a great deal. It's under market average. Plus, I am an affiliate with Artius, man, so you can save even more with Banjo 20, save 20 more percent, makes it exceptionally reasonable. And then they have the full gamut of men's grooming products and that you might need. So they've got their beard butter, they've got their hair shampoo, facial cleanser, exfoliating scrub, body lotion, hair conditioner, aftershave lotion. They have some bundles where you get sets and stuff, but they have smooth shaving cream, face moisturizer, and then your beard wash and conditioner. And they've got a little sampler pack too for $19.95 of some of the body care stuff. So lots of good stuff that you can get in this tea tree mint scent. And if you're just real turned off by the tea tree, I don't get tons of that. It's basically, like I said, it's a kind of a mixture of the spearmint with a little bit of peppermint in it. All right, now they also have some other minty scents. So as I said before, I think that they are the best at what they do for minty scents and also citrus. But I'm thinking of the minty scents. A lot of the other companies will come out with a minty scent in maybe their shower products, or maybe it'll be seasonal in the wintertime. These scents you can get available from Artius, man, all the time. Now, I did have my old favorite was Winter's Chill. I don't know if you can see how much is gone in that, but it's about half gone on my bottle of Winter's Chill. Now that one is peppermint eucalyptus. So this one, and as we go through some of these other ones I'll talk about just briefly, you get more of the woodsy part added in. So this one, I get peppermint, and then you get on the back end, you get some of that eucalyptus, which makes it just a hint of the woodsiness. So you kind of get this, but then you get a little bit woodsy on the tail end of that. And then they've got one called Mountain Air, and this one goes more woodsy with the back end being the minty stuff. So it's patchouli, cedarwood, cypress, and then the spearmint is on the end. And then one I have not tried is a collaboration with Nancy Beard. It's called Invigoration, but it's peppermint, bergamot, tea tree, green mandarin, and neroli. So not exactly sure what that smells like. It sounds like it would be minty to start with the tea tree and peppermint, but then it's got some mandarin and bergamot. So that one sounds interesting. I would like to try that one out at some point. Artius, man's got like 20 something cents. I did a video not too long ago that kind of broke down the ones that I've tried. Also, if you're a big fan of citrus scents, they've got their citrus fire, citrus spice, orange growth, so lots of stuff to choose from. These are all essential oils, all right? So they're not fragrances. They smell pretty authentic. They last you a good while, but not too much. It's not overpowering. You get a nice little blast of the minty stuff, and then it kind of smooths out, and you can go on about your day, but you smell nice and clean and a little bit fresh and minty, if you will. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Artius man scent? They got a lot of other things to choose from. And let me know if you've also tried any of these other products. I tried the body wash. I'm a bar soap guy, I just always have been. So I tried that a few times. It works well. The hair shampoo worked well. My wife tried it too, because she was wanting to go for some more natural kind of shampoos and conditioners and that kind of stuff, and it worked very well. The beard wash or the conditioner has I think it's the beard conditioner, has sea kelp in it. So that one's interesting. So this gives you a medium stripping on your beard, and then the conditioner puts the moisture right back in it, and it feels nice and soft. I don't use conditioner very much. Most of you guys know that. This one, Artius Man, is always sitting in my shower. So that's one of like only have two different conditioners in there. Artius Man is always one of those. All right. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Check out Artius Man. Use the code Banjo20 if you place an order, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.